It's learning time! Today we're learning about number 2. Here is a number 2. Can you say it? Number 2. Say it one more time. Well done. Now let's count to 2 together. 1, 2. Great job. Let's see the other ways that number 2 can be represented. Here are 2 fingers. Here we have 2 on a 5 frame. Here's 2 on a 10 frame. And here is 2 on a die. We have 2 on a number line. And 2 on a domino. Here is 2 on a unicorn. And here is 2 in word. Good job identifying number 2 in different ways. Now let's practice writing the number 2. Start from a point, take it down to make a curve and a dash. Fantastic. So to write number 2, you need a curve and a dash. Let's see if you can identify number 2 on this playground. Can you see number 2? We have number 2 on the hopscotch and another number 2 on the slide and number 2 in the cloud. Great job! Keep learning to identify number 2 in different ways. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.